Hi, thanks for checking out our channel. This video is going to be about this is going to be hopefully a how-to video on how to test and repair a Cyclops brute. This is Cyclops. They make a few different models. This is probably their biggest selling unit because it's right in the middle size-wise. It's a good mid-size charger. It's not too big, not too small. It's 8 output joules, 10 stored. So we do work on a few of these throughout the year at different ages. But there's a little bit about us. We're just a repair outfit that works on these things. So you can find out more about us there if you want, fencerfixer.com. So there are links in the description area of the video, so if you want to find out more about us, you can go there and take a peek and click on the links to our website. Alright, so this is the AC version. Get unplugged here. He's got some kind of adapter thing on there. So we're going to plug it in, see what it does. Nothing. Alright, so take it apart. I think the customer said he said that he had opened this and took a peek at it, but he actually didn't do nothing to it. So I kind of opened it up to see if there's anything loose, which is usually not the case, so I don't know why people want to get into them. They don't know what they're doing, but this is what people want to do. Alright, well there's the inside of it. Pretty basic unit. Not much to them. You got your capacitor, transformer, output board, main power board, and then your surge protector board there. So what I'm going to do first, grab a multimeter, turn on the AC, I'm going to plug it in, and I'm going to test right there, see if I got 120 volts right there. Nope. Alright, let's check this fuse. Nope, the fuse is blown. Tell that right now. So, alright, this takes I think a 3/4 amp fuse or 1 amp fuse. Plug that in. I don't see anything at the moment bad on this board, but sometimes, maybe that coil right there could be bad. But let's plug it in. I think it clicked once and stopped, so let's. I think it blew my fuse again. So we probably got a short in this board there. We'll check this fuse real quick. No, fuse is good. Okay, let's check power again. See if we're getting power through this board to this board. It's not clicking. Alright. Let's just trace power real quick. Alright, we're getting power there, getting 120 volts there. But we're not getting it through the fuse link. So let's check this fuse mount. Alright, well we're getting continuity, but why aren't we getting power through it? Fuse still good. These fuse mounts are pretty weak on the Cyclops things. They don't use the best fuse mounts on them. let's do that again just to make sure. So power here. That's my power cord, 120 volts. Move up to this wire here, should be 120 volts. Okay, good. Now we got 120 volts. Now let's check here. Alright, see, we 120 volts right there. Not right there, so that means that this coil is probably gone bad. So mark that coil so I don't forget. I'm just going to put a line right here on this capacitor so I know that it's probably that coil right there. So now I'm going to unplug these wires. Pull this board out. Ooh. Yep, look at that. Oh, burnt up. Okay, well, let's pull this coil off and see if I got another one. Alright, let me move some stuff out of the way here. What? Ooh, yeah. It takes one of the ones that's in that thing behind you. So it's going to go like that. So we're in the... Hey, you got the Dremel thing?
It's there.
Come on. wrong spot. Bridge over to here, and this I'm going to go like that, and then there's no solder joint right there anymore, but I'm going to run a wire from here to there. Alright, got that back on there. I had a hell of a time. I soldered on it. I melted some plastic with it the other day, and I had my solder on. I was having a hell of a time getting that thing to stay. But it looks like we got some loose ones there too. I think all three of those are loose. Those are pretty good, but those are all loose. So let's just try to. They don't look bad. So what we'll do is just we're going to solder all 6 of these. Solder rinse if you can just keep it. It's nice and tight now. Okay. Alright, let's see what happens now.
I'm gonna change which one bad. That light's bad. It's so fat, don't
It's clicking again. That's a good sign. That means the main board's good. And that storage board's not good. So let's flip around and see if that light flashes on it. Alright, light's not flashing. Let's check this fuse. Nope, that fuse is bad. Okay, that takes a 2-amp fuse. Go on. All the food you gave him is like all over the table. Like you scooped it and dropped all of it.
Oh, okay.
It's all over the place. It's like not even in his bowl. Alright, now it's flashing. .2. So this unit is raring to go now. We're some check mixing them things are nice and tight. So, well, that's it for this video. We're gonna pull off the side, let it run for a little while, make sure it's good. If it's good after that, we'll, after a day or so of running with a load, we'll call it, finally call it all done. But there's our information right there. If you'd like to send us anything for repair, be happy to take a look at it for you. So, well, until next time, see you later.